Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, YE versus Olaplex. Which hair care brand should you pick in 2025? If you're dealing with damaged hair, frizz, or just want to upgrade your routine, this comparison will help you decide. Let's jump right in. First off, YE is all about that luxurious, everyday vibe. Founded by Jen Atkin, it's famous for its scented shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that smell amazing and focus on hydration and volume. If you have fine or normal hair, YE might be your go-to. Their formulas often include natural ingredients like rosehip oil and coconut oil, making them gentle and perfect for daily use. Plus, they're budget-friendly, with most products ranging from $25 to $35. But some users complain about the scents being too overpowering or not holding up for severely damaged hair. On the other side, Olaplex is the repair powerhouse. This brand revolutionized hair care with its bond-building technology, which targets and fixes broken bonds in your hair strands. Ideal for colored, bleached, or heat-damaged hair, Olaplex products like their No. 3 Hair Perfector are cult favorites. Ingredients are more science-based, featuring bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate, which strengthens hair from the inside out. However, they can be pricier, often $30 to $50 per item, and might feel a bit heavy for fine hair types. Reviews rave about the long-term results, but it takes consistent use to see changes. So, which one wins? It depends on your needs. If you're looking for quick, fragrant fixes and everyday maintenance, go with YE. It's versatile and fun. But if your hair is seriously damaged and needs repair, Olaplex is the clear champion. In 2025, both brands have expanded their lines, so check for the latest formulations. Remember, always patch test and consider your hair type before switching. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty battles, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite hair care brand? Let's chat. See you next time.